Hi, I'm in North Carolina, and today I'm on the hunt for the Blue Ridge Southern. Blue Ridge Southern Railroad is a short line railroad that operates out of Canton, North Carolina, and is owned by Watco. It operates on track that was previously owned by Norfolk Southern. There are 10 locomotives in its roster, and operations began in 2014. Watco moves any commodity, and on this railroad that operates on about 91 miles of track, they move mostly wood chips, paper, plastics, cement, coal, and products that are used in the manufacture of Epsom salt. They operate on two main lines, the Saluda line and the Murphy branch. And the Murphy branch is where we saw them doing some switching at the Evergreen Packaging. Here's a system map of the Blue Ridge Southern Railroad, and here is Canton. I have seen information online that says that they have either 10 or 11 engines, but we were able to get photographs of 9 of them. We also found a single engine just outside of Arden. It was only a week after visiting Canton that I saw on the news that the Evergreen Paper Company was going to be closing. And I was so surprised because they didn't seem to indicate that there was any problems when I was there speaking with the Blue Ridge Southern Railway crew. And according to this news article, it was a surprise and a shock to the mayor and everyone in town as well. Now, I don't know what kind of effect the closing of this paper mill will really have on the Blue Ridge Southern Railroad, but I certainly do hope that for the people of Canton, aka Papertown, that they will find a way to move forward, hopefully using the Blue Ridge Southern. You never know what you're going to find when you're out trackside. If you like this and want to see more, please subscribe to this channel and you get to see all the new videos.